Hello everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
So, you remember what we were doing last time? So, yeah, we were making a game of whack-a-mole. Yeah, okay. Let's find out the mole and whack it. Okay, let's see. Let's open the source file and see how it looks like. So, was L59. Okay, let's see. Okay, it was like this. Okay, so let's put it like this and let's play it. So it was a 4 by 4, and the hammer is, let's see, the hammer is here and the mole is here. So mole appears randomly and we move the hammer using the key and try to whack them all. Okay, that's very simple and abstract game, but I think it's good enough as as a start of our game making. So, okay, let's go back to today's part. So, homework, display the score. Ah, right. Okay, let's do that. So to do that, we need to keep keep record of the score. To do that, maybe we can initialize instance variable score, which is initialized as 0 here. And then every time we successfully whack the mole here, if the person's position and mole's position is the same, yes, maybe we can increment the score by, say, how many points per whack? How many points for successful hitting? Let's see. Let's give 10 points each time. And let's display it, say in the message area here. Okay, let's see. For example, um, hmm, maybe we can do that right after the here, Pyxel text. Position is the bottom line is BB plus SS times X is like X is like 1, for example, 1 times 1. Y is like BB plus SS times NN plus maybe 10. Let's see that, how it looks like. And still self dot score. Okay, let's do it. Ju- just justify it to the left. Okay, and score self dot score, and in, say, red. No, purple. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, increment. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, we whack it. Okay, great. So 10 times for each successful hit. Okay, good. Um, very good. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, are you satisfied? I hope you like it. Or you can make your own version, of course. Okay, so today let's continue our work. Let's make a whack-a-mole game played with, yeah, with keys done. So try and improve gradually. So in addition to the score, what's next? Maybe draw a line between game area and message area. Let's see. It's like this. So maybe we want to draw a line here, or that's not so interesting. Um, the other way around is we can um, let's see how it looks like if we remove the lines Um, and let's see how it looks like. Do you like it? Okay, let's remove the line drawing part and see how it looks like. Oh, this is fine too. Let's try this one. Okay. So in that case, here comes the proposal. Draw a line between game and the message area. So maybe instead of this, maybe we can draw just one line between. So leftmost point, and this time y coordinate is SS times NN times BB. And that's the starting x coordinate of the starting point, y coordinate of the starting point. Next is the x coordinate of the ending point, which is SS times and then plus BB times 2. Okay, and y is the same as this. Okay, color in, say, dark blue, how it looks like. Great. You like it? Okay, fine. Okay, what's next? Try other size parameters. So currently it's like NN is 4 and SS is 20, BB is 5. So let us try a larger grid, 10 for the grid size. And for okay, just for future, let's change SS to 16 instead of 20. Let's see how it looks like. This is another interesting setting. I hope you like it. Oh, sorry. Okay, good. Good. You like it? Fine. Okay. So this is just one idea of um, making it. Oh, by the way, let's try rect B, which is a blank box instead of filled box. So let's see. How do you like it? This is another choice. After removing the grid, maybe this is one way of trying another appearance, okay? So we can try this too. I hope you like it. Okay, see the variation. Okay, so what's next? Show the playtime and stop after 15 seconds. Okay, can you try this? Because last in the ball hitting the ball hit the ball game, the frame count FPS was 1. Now it is there's no FPS parameter, so it means it's I think the default is 30. So let's find out how we can count the seconds. Okay, if you know that, or if you can find that out in the manual, you can try it. Stop the video and try it. Okay, actually, here is the hint for that. Um, that's where is that? Input graphics frame count. I think there's a word frame count. Okay, which we can use for counting the frames. Okay, here, the number of the elapsed frames. Okay, let's copy it and paste it here. So it's initialized to 0 in the beginning when this is called. And then we can count if Pyxel dot frame count is divided by 30 is That's right. So no. I mean pixel sec. Okay, I see. So maybe we can initialize self.sec equals 0 here. And then self.sec equals pixel.frame count divided by 30, which is the default value for the frame count, frame FPS, frame per second. And then if self dot self dot, yeah, we want to stop after 15 seconds. So maybe after 15 seconds, we stop everything. That means after self.sec is larger than 15, maybe we just forget about updating anything. So just return. Let's try this, okay? In addition, we want to show that playtime in the message box here. So maybe we copy this and paste in the, no, paste in the next line. No. Why is it? Okay. And say in the PB plus mark, SS times 5, for example, and self dot sec in which color do you like? Maybe black. So let's paint it in black. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, good. Can you see the timer is going up seemingly every second? And let's see what happens after 15 seconds. 12, 13, 14, 15. It's going up. The bad thing is that, but still, we cannot move the cursor. So maybe it's all good. So let's see. Let's move it. Let's move this part in front of the, yeah, in front of the, okay, let's make this way. So after 15 seconds, we don't increment the counter. So how do you like it? Okay, so let's check that. So we can play up to 15 seconds time and counting up the scores and counting up the timer. And after, say, 15 seconds, there is no count up and there is no movement possible. I think this should be 14 instead of 15 to make it stop at 15. Okay. So, okay, what's next? Use an image for the mole. Oh, this is an interesting part. So we use, as I said, this is a very abstract game in a sense that the mole is represented by a brown circle. Okay, but actually we can paste an image here. I cannot find a very handy mole image. We can use cat image, and then maybe you can do it yourself to change it for a real mole figure. Okay, let me explain how we can do that. First, we will go to the folder where the source files are, and in the address here, type in CMD. Okay, so you can play commands here. Okay, and then what we need to do is, as the manual says, load the examples. So here, in the beginning, yeah, Pyxel examples. Okay, so here, Pyxel copy examples. So let's copy this and paste it here. And let's copy it here so that the files are here. Now you can check that. In your folder, you have a new folder made, Pyxel examples. And in there, you will have some source example files. And in the assets folder here, you have example PNG file kept 16 by 16. So we will use it. Okay. So for example, let's copy this and let's go back to the circle, to the source file. Let's see how it looks like. In the init file, let's paste it. Okay. So we will load the 16 by 16 image. I made 16 as SS to be 16 because I wanted this. Okay. So Pyxel load. No, image. Okay. So image 0 to dot load, sorry, dot load. Okay, so as the manual says, it's like finding load. Okay, so we can load an image file to the image bank 0 at the address of 0 and 0. And the file name is, let's call it, in the Pyxel examples, assets, and I think this works. What was the file name? Cat underscore 16x16 dot png. Okay. Let's get return here. Okay. Maybe it's not good enough. Let's get return here. Okay. So fine. That's strange. Okay. Okay. And then we can, instead of using circle, we can comment out circle here. And instead, we can use Pyxel dot BLT bitmap image load self dot mx. They're the same. mx plus ss plus mx times ss plus bb. That's the left x coordinate of the leftmost position. So fine. Okay. The same for y. Okay. Let's see the whole line. Okay. Plus, and the size is ss by, oh, no, it should be y. Y here. And the size is ss by ss. Okay. No, the image bank is 0. The starting x is 0, starting y is 0, and the size is ss. That's all. Okay, let's see how it looks like. I hope this works. Okay, let's copy. Let's save and run it. Something is wrong. This should be single quote, not double quote. Okay, let's see that. Good. Do you see a cat here? Okay, so instead of a mole, we can put an cat image here. Very good. So this is an example of how to loading and putting an image inside the game area. Okay, I think this is good enough. I hope you like it. Ah, by the way, maybe you can write game over after here. So if self dot sec is larger than 15, maybe we can write Pyxel text bb plus ss times 6, maybe, for example, ss times nn plus bb ss times n plus bb plus 10 game over in, say, color 8. Let's see how it looks like. Good. So we can move the hammer all the way to the cat. It's not a hammer, maybe a net to catch a cat. Okay. Oh, there's no word here. Sorry about that. Maybe you can try to. I see. Okay. I changed it to 14, so it doesn't match. Maybe we can change both to 14 and see how it looks like. Okay, so I hope you like it. We get scores for a cat catch, and the time is going up, and it will show game over after 15 seconds. Game over. Good. I hope you like it. And of course, you can make a lot of modifications, variations onto it, and you can enjoy with your friends and family members. Okay, I hope you like it. You liked it, and I'm sure you will come back next time. Bye bye.